Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to make chocolate chip banana bread. I start with some flour here, and to the flour I'm going to add baking powder, baking soda and salt. I'm going to mix this and set it aside. In a large bowl, I'm going to mix some melted butter and a cup of sugar. You can do this with hand mixer, a whisk, or in your stand mixer. Mix until the sugar is completely dissolved. Add the eggs one by one. And mix after each addition. This is such a great recipe for breakfast or just an afternoon snack. Kids love it and it's so easy. I'm going to add the second egg right now. And mix until everything is fully incorporated. To this egg mixture, I'm going to add some buttermilk. I actually mixed some milk with some white vinegar, and I'm going to add this to my mixture. You can also use sour cream or yogurt, both would work. Once everything is fully combined, I'm going to add the bananas. Here I have 3 bananas that are fully mashed. Mixing the bananas into the egg mixture until fully combined. Lastly, add the flour and baking powder and baking soda mixture, and then start mixing until everything is fully incorporated. I also like to add some cinnamon to my banana bread because it just gives it such nice flavor. I switched to a spatula for better mixing. Now I'm going to add some chocolate chips to the mixture. You can also add some walnuts, pecans, white chocolate chips, maybe some shredded coconut flakes or anything you like really. And then I'm going to give this a nice stir. I transferred the batter into a 9-in-5-inch loaf pan lined with a parchment paper, and I always like to add some more chocolate chips on top. More chocolate is always the answer, right? And then this will go into the oven for about 50 minutes to 55 until a toothpick inserted inside comes out clean. Our chocolate chip banana bread is ready. The house smells amazing. This chocolate chip banana bread is great for an afternoon snack with a cup of coffee, and enjoy.